Alright, putting a Rusty's Off-Road 2-inch lift kit on my 2000 Grand Cherokee today. It's got two 45/75 16s on it. It's the Maxxis buckshots. Mudders. Pretty nice tire. Brand new tires. Still got all the nubs on them. Let's get this lift on here. Alright, so this is what the Rusty's Off-Road 2.5-inch kit comes with. That's the rears, that's the fronts. See how it looks. Okay, for the rear installation, you want to start by jacking up the rear axle, putting some supports underneath, get that all ready to go. Get your tire off. Once you got your tire off, okay, so for the rear, the first thing you want to do is remove the sway bar. Just disconnect it right there. And come over here, disconnect the rear shock. And then we're going to put some spring compressors on there and get that compressed and pull that spring out of there and put our new Rusty's Off-Road Budget Boost lift in. Alright, now that you got that bolt out of there, you got that loosened up, let's go ahead and lower that axle a little bit and get the coil compressors on there. Okay, once you got your coil compressors on there, go ahead and jack up the axle with a floor jack and tighten it up either by hand or with a tool. Now that you have that coil compressed and feel comfortable with it, go ahead and lower that axle down. Alright, let's get this bottom piece out of here. Alright, there we go. Kind of like taking a rim off. Get that off of there. Clean all this dirt out of the pocket in here. Okay, once you got that out, go ahead and grab your spacer and put that on. Gotta kind of seat it in there really good. Now take the stock piece, put it back on the bottom here. That. See how it has a little nipple there? Let's go ahead and cut that off. Alright, got that little thing cut off of there. Pull it out like this. jack it back up. We're almost done. Alright, now that you got that all done and in there, go ahead and connect your shock and your sway bar mount and put your tire back on, set the truck back on the ground, and you're done.